लिटिल स्टार शैलेश मेमोरियल स्कूल की शुरुआत मैंने अपने भतीजे शैलेश की याद में की थी। वह परिवार के लिए एक ऐसी क्षति थी जिसे भुलाया नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन हमने इस दुख को एक ऐसी दिशा दी जिसने हजारों बच्चों का भविष्य संवारने का कार्य किया। भारत एक युवाओं का देश है। यहाँ से हर साल लाखों करोड़ों बच्चे स्कूल और कॉलेज से पढ़कर भविष्य बनाने निकलते हैं। मेरा ऐसा सोचना है कि जितनी अच्छी शिक्षा होगी उतना अच्छा देश का विकास होगा। आज हमारे छात्र छात्राएं देश विदेश में अच्छा कार्य करते हैं तो देखकर गौरव महसूस होता है।
Being principal of this esteemed institute, it is my foremost duty to lead my team to ignite young minds with zeal and enthusiasm. We not only focus on academic part, but also we pay full attention on co-curricular activities.
पापा ने जब स्कूल और कॉलेज खोलने का सपना देखा तो उसमें हमारा काम था इनोवेशन के रंग भरना, ताकि बच्चों को सागर में भी इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड की पढ़ाई और फैसिलिटी मिल पाए। हमने हर वो कोशिश की जो बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए अच्छी हो और हमारी मेहनत रंग लाई। हर साल रिज़ल्ट बेहतर होता जा रहा है। बच्चे अच्छे कॉलेज के कट ऑफ्स आराम से क्लियर करते हैं। बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, सीए हर तरह एग्ज़ाम के लिए बच्चे तैयार होते हैं। हमारा ये भी मानना है कि सिर्फ एजुकेशन ही नहीं बल्कि उनकी ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी ग्रो करनी चाहिए। लिटिल स्टार शैलेश मेमोरियल स्कूल हर पैरामीटर पर खरा उतरा है।
As the Vice Principal of Little Star Shailesh Memorial School, I am delighted to welcome you all at Little Star Shailesh Memorial. We believe in nurturing young minds, fostering creativity and shaping the leaders of tomorrow.
The classroom quality of our school is remarkable. It has well-furnished furniture, well-equipped classrooms, interactive teaching aids, and supportive atmosphere that continuously enhancing the academic growth, personality development, culture of innovation, and growth of academic journey. Also, in our school, there exists a strong teacher and student relationship which is just like a paramount. We believe in creating a supportive and friendly environment.
I love my classroom. Teachers are friendly and good. We do not require any extra tuitions. Teaching is best and easy. Teachers are very friendly and good.
We at Shailesh Memorial School provide numerous opportunities to our students to deal efficiently and effectively with the challenges of everyday life. The book bank facility at our school provides cost-effective education for students of classes 6 to 12. Our approach of inclusive education provides individual learning. We follow the student-teacher ratio provided by CBSE, and that is easily evident in our results.
I am positive about my bright future. I have explored my academic capabilities with brilliant teaching here.
Complex world of science and maths are made simple here.
Teachers are very friendly and experienced.
Our school is only focused for education and with all the activities for our personality development.
Shailesh Memorial School, where education meets excellence. I, Aradhya Thakur, welcomes you all to Little Star Shailesh Memorial School. It is not just a place of learning, but a vibrant community that fosters growth, curiosity, and excellence.
Here, you get state-of-the-art facilities and technology-driven learning. Our dedicated team of educators goes above and beyond to equip our students with knowledge and skills that extends far beyond the classroom.
Our school has over 20 years of educational expertise.
So I invite you to join us on this exciting journey of growth and transformation. Please contact us for any of your queries.
I want to be the topper of this year.
Welcome to our school's computer lab, where technology meets learning, where coding, creativity, and critical thinking come together. Experience the digital age firsthand in our cutting-edge computer lab. Python, Java, C++, C++ are the topmost languages in which our students are working on.
Our library is not just a room of books, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. In our library, you will find treasure trove of books covering adventurous mysteries. But the library is more than just books.
I love my library. It's my favorite place to study. Use collection of book here. Fiction, science, stories, maths. You can find every book here.
A science lab is a workplace to conduct research and experiment. It also provides an in-hand experience related with real life so that students can boost their basic knowledge. It also encourages students to use maximum facilities so that their innovative skills can be increased. Little Star Sailesh Memorial School has the best sophisticated, spacious and safe science laboratories. Our labs are also equipped with modern instruments as well as other technical necessary items so that students can convert their basic text knowledge into a research work.
Our science labs are well updated and all the chemicals and funnels we need in our lab are available.
Huge collection of biotools are here. My practical classes help me to understand science more easily.
I can be a good doctor, all thanks to my science lab.
Here at Little Star Sailesh Memorial School, we believe that sports are about more than just winning games and scoring points. Our sports program offers wide opportunity for all students. Our coaches are here to help you develop your skills, cover obstacles and reach your full potential. Our students also participate in the state, national as well as state level championship games and sports.
Lots of sports activities. We are motivated for future sports stars. We have the better facilities. We have the better coaching.
I wanna be a national level cricket player.
I wanna be a professional swimmer. I wanna represent my country in Olympics.
Our results are our testimonials for our success.
Every year, number of toppers are growing and growing.
Our top priority is to secure the foundation of every student.
We personally try to resolve every doubt and every query that students have.
Why should we take admission in this school? It is best for your kid. We just not teach the students, but we groom their personality. We develop vision.
We also develop the vision for the future.
We inculcate qualities of leadership, sportsmanship, of an artist.
Our result speaks volume us.
So, come to Little Star Sailesh Memorial School and let your kid shine like a star.